Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today we just finished up a heritage stripe on a two-door Bronco, and when we opened up these doors to get this moved in, we did notice that this customer already had some door sill plates. Not sure where those came from, but we did notice that there's already some tears on here. We talked to the customer, asked if we could replace these with ours. So this is a good opportunity for us to do that comparison. And again, I didn't ask where she got these, but I could tell that that was a, I don't know, I don't want to say low quality, but just not the quality level that we want to put in your Bronco. Over here, we've got our TredWear sills, and this is something that we've added to our inventory. We had been doing the Expel PPF sills, which we do still love those as well, but these are extremely durable. This is the sill we've already pulled out of the passenger side of her car, and as you can see, there's already lots of scratches on here. This is really, really thin. You know, I can mark on there and already get scratches on there. This is that TredWear. So you can mark on here and no scratches. This is the same material that you're using for the roll bar here at the rear. Those are for the four-door, of course, for when that top goes down. But again, it's really durable, really awesome stuff. We're gonna go ahead and pull that one out real quick, put this one in. And this is already starting to come up, so I can, you know, again, I don't know if that was dirt or what that was under there, but I can see a hole in there. So again, we can put this and kind of get a good look. This is that sill that's that you know you're going to be getting in and out of. This mark here is right where that rolls over, and then we're going to have a weld on here, or not a weld, but this is going to roll over. That's what these marks are here for. So we're going to use our alcohol water mix, get a quick wipe down of this. Make sure we get that clean. And this is a really, the adhesive on the back side of that TredWear is fantastic. You've got a few moments to, if you get that off, you can get that back in place, pull it up, lay it back down again. And we're going to follow this seam here to here. That's where that factory sill lick is. And then we're going to see, kind of catch that gleam from the light right on the edge of that, the roll there. And the same thing up here at the front. So that's going to be our mark. We can tape this down, or we can even eyeball that. I do recommend to tape that down if this is your first time. But again, with that roll, it's going to be hard to get that off of there. So let's go ahead and do this one piece. Let me show you how to do this. Now there is, you know, this does ship with that kink in there. That will come right out. So again, I'm going to hold this tight so it's not touching the paint. I'm going to line up. Really want to try to hit that roll, like where I just showing you where that light was at, and just tack, roll that edge down, and just start using our hand. And then use our thumb and come back and do that bottom edge. And these are supplied with squeegees, but that's really all you need to do. If you want to go back with that squeegee, that's protected. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that we have or anything else you see out there and just want to know if it's good, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you about that. Thank you.